unim de ntie ma mesere metie coach interview o person o kire say at Kotoko no the pressure that mounts up is cannot be compared to any other club in the country.
Anya Kotoko nkwani has nyina.
Dem what I say. Anything to be citing example say Heart of Lions with the form of women. Even though sir we're losing the players to the Black Galaxies, Coach Bashir for Ekan, you know, it has been accepted.
By who?
So that's Zito's point. Or say Coach Ekan said we're losing the players to Black Galaxies, you know, and some trouble for Yadia Tuma, Yambashi, Bashir Ford. And also the Man City as a yardstick. Eugene, Esana coach. I'm beginning to doubt him because one of my aware say the club you are coaching is a club of Wabonda, a club wa coach da. Even though say you were not the substantive head, but why as assistant coach on 2 occasions? And Eugene, you know how things are considered in the club. Eugene, club like Kotoko. Also, this game. It's me and they that winless streak and because on my last 4 games there was no win. It can happen to you while Brown coach any other club in the Ghana Premier League. Or your Karela coach, or your Nations coach, or your any other coach. The fans will take it light. Say what about 4 games? Due to the issues surrounding the players, which is the length and the quantum of players na ye injured, work of 4 games you win here. You can say that when you are in other clubs, the supporters will take it on a lighter note. But Eugene,
Mami for in FM say has a folk player Mohamed Hussein FA no charge no finally. Untia I want charge no. Na Bismarck and that's all say Accra to folk player. Mohamed Hussein has been handed a 3-game ban and warned by the discipline committee for misconduct following a Ghana Premier League game match against Attakora. The player was found guilty of unsporting behavior towards the match officials of the said game. The suspension is effective immediately.
So that means their game against.
I got 3 matches in the first round. No, they won the first round.
Discipline committee for Omuko strike and Omuko break.
Zuba ne betimi ayi
because say afenso na game na ya boy win afeno ma yen hwehwe mo awie so dia.
E bi afeno mo awie.
Say eni yare so wo mu a nti wo ma hu na enkesi baabi. Say timi bo game no obi akoti obi na footage kro ma hwe so.
Ele imano jam fidie na akofa be.
Oh me dey twem.
Okay.
Na be dey ntia make say me.
Da kwa wi ma me na me nko.
So Eugene, coach Karim Zito, he should accept the position I will handle.
Okay.
Because Eugene, on a normal day, a game, post match. Everyone wants to come to listen to what Coach Karim Zito is saying.
No,
because of the club he handles. Time I know Dreams FC no. Eugene, or your post match, not Nipapu could go. No. The moment you come to Asante Kotoko, Eugene, accept criticisms. Me media man or Juma, he feels the injuries shouldn't be an issue of concern. When you're on a microphone and workasa, but Eugene, so we should have the opportunity. Now only players this year are not now you have the opportunity. Now you dugouts now.
Okay.
That period, that moment, you have control over that period. It ignore what the media is saying. Concentrate. Because Kotokono, whether you like it or yes, even if when you brief, when you Kotoko leader now brief here, you people
will get meanings out of it.
It's the coach. I am say all Casa because when you can previous time say at Kotokono, this is how it is.
Dr. Caesar Luna Greeting American